Well, hello. I am coming to you once again as a Mented mentor in this season. So I want to show you how I am using the Skin Silk Loose Setting Powder. We're going to go through this step by step. Now, I want to be clear. Wait, let me get a sip. Hold on. It's not working. Something is not right. Now, there are 3 of these beauties. What I am going to use are the medium deep and the light tan ones. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what in tarnation is going on? This is too light. Well, pump the brakes, because I too was a little concerned, okay? But when I tried it on, it is so true. This is not going to leave a white cast on you. It is mattifying. It is smooth. It is beautiful. And I'm not just saying that because I am a Mented mentor, okay? So right now I'm going to jump in with the medium deep color, and I'm going to put this in my T-zone to keep the oils in the T-zone at bay. I'm going to use the brush that just launched with the Skin Silk Loose Setting Powders, taking some from the cap, and I'm starting right here with the nose. Now I gotta tell you also with this, I was a little bit concerned. I was like, this is orange powder. What are we doing with orange powder? However, sis, does my face look orange? Do you see orange? That's what I thought. I'm going to apply the Skin by Mented foundation in the color D20. I'm going to use this other Mented brush to blend all of this in. Do you see the skin? Do you see hydration? Do you see smoothness? Do you see even skin tone? Moving on. Hola! We're back. This is very, very important. Skin by Mented D40, okay? Let's get this contour situation together. Hello. Y'all see what Mented is doing? I just want to point it out, just in case you weren't aware. Okay? Skin by Mented. Skin Silk Loose Setting Powder. Skin. Yes, come on. Creamy. Let's jump right into it. We're wasting time. Then we're gonna take the light tan. Let's take some more on this side. Now already my under eye is feeling kind of stiff, but in a good way. I told you it was mattifying. Down the middle of the nose. Don't forget the upper lip. Hello. Don't forget your chin. You know what? While we're at it, let's just go around the mouth. In case you have any smile line issue, and let's go right underneath here. Okay. And let's take the Mented brush and dust it all off. This brush is perfecto. Here's the deep color. Okay, taking the deep, rich color right here on my eyelid. Hello, and just bring it into the inner part of your eyebrow like that. It's a subtle difference, girl, but it's gonna change your life. If you want life change, you gotta get the loose setting powders. I'm gonna use the medium deep color and then put this all over my face just to really bring everything together. I'm using what's in the cap. We don't wanna overdo it. Just like going on the forehead. Just like that. Now I'm going to bronze my face with the ABF Season 2 Duo palette using the same powder brush. See, I'm getting a lot of use out of this one brush. Now I'm adding warmth to my face by using this bronzer. Now I could have skipped this step, but why? Why would I do that? And now switching over to Season 1, I'm going to highlight my face. Yes. A nice golden highlight for the brown skin girls. Hello. We need highlighter too. Ooh, I'm looking like a copper nickel right now, honey. I already love the way my face is looking, and I know that you do too. It goes without saying. I understand. That's fine. You don't have to tell me. I get it. Add this to the inner corner. You know, I love to highlight my inner corner. We don't call it an inner corner, ladies. It's an inner corner. All right, now we have to put on our blush. I'm gonna use the blush that I always use. It's gonna be Clay Too Much and Peach for the Stars. Here's Clay Too Much, and I'm gonna take some of this. Always tap off the excess. Depending on your skin tone, Clay Too Much could also be used as a bronzer. Next, because sometimes I like to be a little extra, I'm going to use Peach for the Stars and really just focus that like right here. So give like a half smile, you know, like when you're at a party and you don't really want to be there and you're kind of like and then just dust that right here on the, look at that. Now that our face is done, I mean, you can wear this face to bed, you know, like Now let's move on to our lip, and I'm going to line with Mented Foxy. This is gonna stick with the burnt orange brown theme we have going on because of the bronzer and the blush. Now, as you can see, gone are the days where you literally just draw a line and then go sit down. Don't do that. Draw your line, bring it to the inner part of your lip, almost like you're filling in your whole lip, but not really. Blot, blot, blot. Then we're gonna fill in the inner part of the lip with Peach Please. It just all comes together. Yes. And this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.